Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use some of the basic features in the Lunar client. So the first feature I'm just going to go over real quick is the waypoints feature. So if we just press N, the N key, that's going to bring up create waypoint. We're then going to just name the waypoint whatever we want. We can change the color to whatever we want. We can, click all of these different settings. Then we're just going to go and hit save. It will make a little blue circle that will show up a tag as soon as we get far enough away from it. We can also change the color of the little beacon which comes up from there. So that's useful. Another thing, important hotkey that you're going to want to know is the right shift button. So if we hit the right shift button, that is going to bring up the Lunar client mods menu. It's also going to bring up the Lunar cosmetics and the Lunar emotes. Lunar emotes, I think these are things that you purchase in the Lunar store, so I'm not going to be going over them. But next we can click on this mods button here, and there's 4 basic presets for using the Lunar client. There's the default setting, which is over here, so this little drop down bar over here is all of the different settings, and this is basically just the presets for different mods that can be enabled. We've got ultra hardcore over here. If we just click on that, it's a bit laggy for some reason. We've also got high pixel skyblock and arena PvP. So as you can see, it takes a little while to load there when you're switching between the different things, and this will enable different settings which will make it a lot better for using, or for the specific thing that you're using the client for. So arena PvP, obviously, PvP mods enabled, hypixel skyblock, just a bunch of other stuff, and ultra hardcore, a bunch of other stuff again. I'm just going to go back to the default. The next thing we can do is see this top bar across here. There's going to be the mods section, the settings, and then there's the waypoints. So in the waypoints menu here, once you've pressed right shift, you can edit or delete waypoints if you don't want the waypoint to be there anymore, or you want to change the color of the waypoint or the name of the waypoint. And there's also a bunch of different tabs here which you can use to select waypoints in different dimensions and such. So overworld waypoints, if you click on this, will only show you waypoints that you've made in the overworld, and you can make waypoints in any dimension. There's nether and the end, and then custom. And that's basically all of that stuff covered. In the settings over here, we've just got a bunch of different things that you can toggle to change the experience of using the client. Stuff to do with emotes and all that fancy jazz stuff. We don't really need to change any of this. You can also turn off whether or not achievements are shown, which is a neat, useful little feature. You can display friend menu, notify friend status, crosshairs and stuff. You can change all of those settings. And you can also edit the HUD layout, I believe, with this little button down here, but I'm not entirely sure how that works. So yeah, that's those are all the basic features that you're going to need to know how to use in the Lunar client. Another thing is, you can disable and enable mods. So for example, we can turn on FPS boost, there's CPS, I think that's clicks per second, hypixel mods, zoom. We don't have to go through all of these, but you just click on the little button here and it turns the mod on or off. And there's tons and tons and tons of different little mods in here that you can use to make your Minecraft experience better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will end the video there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.